Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Rupal ma'am and I welcome you all in our maths class. So, tell me, children, what did we revise yesterday? Yes, we revised number 1 to 15. So, today we will revise numbers 1 to 15 again, and then we will do an activity for numbers 11 to 15. So let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. Let us do an activity. This is number 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. These are fruit sticks. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is number 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Now let's count the fruit sticks. 1, आप भी बोलो मेरे साथ बच्चों. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is number 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Let's count the fruit sticks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is number 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. चलो आप सब भी मेरे साथ काउंट करोगे ना ये फ्रूट स्टिक्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is number 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Let's count the fruit sticks. 1, 2, 3. बच्चों आप भी काउंट करो मेरे साथ. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, children. Now, let us see the solution of the worksheets. In the first worksheet, you had to match the given numbers. I have done my worksheet like this. I hope you all have done the same. This is the second worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to color the objects as per the numbers and color given. See, this is my worksheet. I hope you all have done it correctly. Okay, children. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.